Welcome friends, we have Mr. Harish Shukla with us today, and Mr. Harish Shukla has more than 30 years of experience, and especially he has worked with companies to get Deming Prize. So he has helped two companies to get Deming Prize, and today he is going to share with us his experience of the Deming Prize journey. So welcome Mr. Harish Shukla.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
So, sir, if you can just briefly tell us about your experience of going for Deming Prize, how was the experience actually, sir, and which are the companies with whom you have worked actually?
Okay. Yeah, actually, I work with two companies who have implemented total quality management and they won Deming Prize.
Okay, sir.
One was SRF Limited. SRF Limited, their synthetic business,
Okay, sir.
tire cord synthetic business, and Seat Tires was their tire business.
Okay, sir.
So SRF, basically, I was there as a TQM coordinator, and I lived the entire journey of Deming. It started with the implementation of very basic 5 years, then daily management, and then breakthrough management, and engage people so that 100% people started participating in improvement activities. And company won Deming Prize in 2004.
Okay, sir. Very good, sir.
And yet later on, subsequently, I worked with the Seat Tires in Mumbai. They had gone for quality based management
Okay.
systems in the entire organization of the three plants at that time. And I was involved as a coordinator there for implementing TQM practices in the initial phases when
Okay.
the plant condition was not that good. It's a
Okay.
old plant. So, but the company won Deming Prize in 2017.
Okay.
So I was basically brought the basic conditions to a level where it could be improved further. Yeah, that's
Okay, sir.
where there are
Very
two
good, sir.
companies.
Excellent, sir. So, sir, many of the participants would like to know who is Dr. Deming. If you can just tell us about Dr. Deming.
Sure, sure. Dr. Deming was an American engineer, statistician. He was a professor. He was a writer. He was a management consultant. Dr. Deming was one of the world's leaders and expert on quality control. He worked with Mr. Shewhart very closely. He had a strong impact on American and Japanese industries. Dr. Deming introduced the idea of continuous improvement using that PDCA cycle: plan,
Yes.
do, check, act.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. And Dr. Deming is best known for his work in Japan during 50s after World War II
Okay, sir.
for improving Japanese industry's quality status. Yeah.
Okay. So, sir, how this Deming Prize came into existence? How this Deming Prize was started in Japan?
Deming Prize basically it is oldest prize.
Okay.
Yeah. And it is most widely recognized quality award in the world.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. It is a global award.
Okay.
Yeah, which recognizes basically individuals for their contribution towards quality control,
Okay.
and it recognizes the organizations for successfully implementing total quality management.
Okay, sir. So in
Yeah.
India, sir, how many companies have gone for this Deming Prize till now?
Uh, Actually, by now there are about 35 industries. They have won Deming Prize.
Okay.
Starting from 1998, now about 35 industries they have won Deming Prize.
These are all automobile
Yeah,
companies or different kind of companies?
there are different kind of companies,
Okay, sir.
including fertilizer company. There are different kind of companies, steel
Okay.
plants. Yeah.
Okay.
I wanted to tell about this Deming Prize, how it was created.
Okay. Yeah, please.
So Deming Prize was created basically uh, by Jews, Union of Japanese Scientists and Engineers, and the fund which was collected by selling the transcripts of Dr. Deming's lecture in Japan,
Okay.
that was used for creating this award.
Okay, sir.
And Dr. Deming has donated all the benefits, all the royalties which he received from sale of his book. That also he donated to Jews, and that is
Okay.
used for funding this award.
Okay, sir.
His generosity, yeah.
Okay. So, sir, if you can just tell us few, companies, name of the companies in India who have just if you can.
The companies like Sundaram Clayton,
Okay.
Sonakoyo,
Okay.
fertilizer plant in Jagdishpur,
Okay.
Reliance, JSW,
Okay. Okay.
Ashoka Leyland. So there are several companies.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
And so, what is the benefit if any organization adopts this Deming price and they go for this journey? What are the
Yeah.
benefits they will get apart from improving the quality?
In fact, Deming Price, uh, uh, it helps in two ways.
Okay.
Yeah, Deming Price helps in two ways. One is the improving the internal capabilities of organization, which helps in improving their business performance,
Okay.
and it also helps in recognizing the organization globally,
Okay.
because you are recognized globally. This reward is recognized globally.
Okay.
So there are two effects organizations get once they go for Deming Prize.
Okay.
Yeah, their business performance improves multifold,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
and people start aligning. They align and they start working towards customers. There is no departmental barrier. So a
Okay.
lot of culture building happens. Yeah,
Okay. Okay. So you mean to say there is a inside out and outside in both the perspective, both the
both the
advantages.
person.
And
Yeah, yeah.
at what level the improvement happens in Deming price? Like we know this concept of quality circle, for example, which is basically a bottom-up approach, and then we talk about this, breakthrough improvements, which is a top-down. So does Deming price journey covers only bottom-up or only top-down? It covers everything actually.
It's an overall improvement
Okay.
everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah, so everyone's involvement is required in this.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And how does this top-down and bottom-up improvements are kind of connected through daily management in Deming price?
Yeah, very well said. In fact, this Deming Prize, once the company go for Deming Prize, it is only a milestone. But actually,
Okay.
they implement total quality management,
Right.
right? So, total quality management. Once the organization decides for TQM, they will have their own reasons for why they are going for TQM. Whether there is
Okay.
some quality issue, customer issue, productivity issue, or some major crisis in the organization, or they want to change their management system itself, or
Okay.
if the president himself wants to go for TQM kind of thing. Yeah. So once they decide for this, then this what you said, upstream control, which is basically starting from new product development, new business development, new market development kind of thing, and then this daily management for maintenance and incremental improvement,
Okay.
and last one is breakthrough improvement, major improvement.
Okay.
So every year you just go for major improvement, some aggressive improvement, aggressive entry into the market kind of thing,
Okay.
right? So
So
it helps this way, and daily management is very basic in this. It calls for a lot of initiatives which organizations do individually, but it helps in aligning people towards a common goal.
and sir, how does Deming help any organization to get recognition at a global level? I mean, what is that recognition that an organization get actually?
Yeah. See, once you win Deming Prize, so you are known externally, worldwide. You are recognized as a good product made by a good company where the TQM practices are established. So product will have 100% defect free product, right? Customer will satisfied, on time delivery is ensured,
Yes.
no incidences of any untoward incidents in the organization, that kind of thing. So that's how worldwide people know that this company will deliver always in time, good quality in time, and without any incidents.
Yeah, I recently read an article in Business Standard also, where they
Yeah.
were mentioning about how Indian companies have benefited by going for Deming price, and their performance, financial performance has also improved. And one of the
Yeah.
most important thing which you said, is very correct, because the confidence of the customer increases, and then customers, if they are confident, they will always keep you in the business. So that is
Yes.
the main advantage of Deming price. So,
Yeah.
sir, we have seen very less awareness programs about Deming price if any organization wants to start this journey. I mean, there is very less awareness programs about this. So, are you, and we know that you are planning one, online program
Yeah.
for this. So, what are the contents that you are going to cover in that particular program?
Yeah, we'll cover the basics of, let's say, what is naming, who is naming, what is naming price, how it is done, what is to be done to achieve naming price, what it takes to win naming price, right? So in that, basically, it will be the TQM, how the company has lived TQM in the organization, how they have made improvements, how they have identified the issues, how they have resolved it and improved upon step by step.
Okay.
So a lot of initiatives like the 5 years Kaizen, problem solving capabilities, manufacturing capabilities, how are they improving, and how are their customers' processes, right? So whether, how are the processes being improved on daily basis or weekly basis kind of thing.
So
So a
basically,
lot
we are
of
talking about, I mean to say, culture building at the same time tangible improvements, both the sides
yes, both
simultaneously.
together.
We are
Yeah.
eagerly waiting for this program, sir. Thank you very much
Sure.
for giving this insight, sir. And looking forward to see you in that particular program, sir. Thank you
Sure.
very much,
Thank
sir.
you. Thank you.